everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's just Clarice, and today's video is going to be a little tutorial showing you how I achieved this look. I got a request to do a fully cool toned look because I love warm tones and I always gravitate towards them. So I found it to be a really interesting challenge to try to come up with something using strictly cool tones, and I'm actually really happy with how the look turned out. So if you want to see that, go ahead and keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's dive on into today's video. Alrighty guys, so I've already done most of my base and we're going to move straight to the eyes, and I put a little extra powder just to be safe so that I would catch any fallout from the eyeshadows. And we're going to start with my Paris palette and grab these two gray tone shades and just put those all over the eyelid. This is a very cool tone palette, which is why I grabbed it for this look, and I feel like this just sets down the eyes and creates our base. Next, I'm going in with this gray shade, and I'm going to take that on like more of a flat-edged brush, and I'm just going to be patting this in through my crease, just really getting that color in there, and then blending out softly as I go, but really just want to pack down that gray in there all throughout the crease. This is setting the tone for the rest of the look, and I absolutely love the way it makes my eyes look. It creates like a contour. Then I grab a clean blending brush and just blend the edges so it looks really soft and like a nice transition and no harsh lines at all. Again, not adding any color, just blending what's already there. Next, I grab my Wet n Wild palette in the shade range Stop Playing Safe, and we're going to take that beautiful blue shimmer shade and we're going to pack this on using a flat edge detail brush, and we're going to pack this right along the lash line. We're creating a sort of false eyeliner wing here strictly using eyeshadow, sorry. And we're just going to really pack this in really nice and tight, creating that wing. That's where the e.l.f. eye tapes come in, help us create that sharp line at the edge, and just slowly pack this on, just adding color as we go and softly blending it out, as I just don't trust myself to blend it out afterwards. I know I would have made a mess. So just really going back and forth with this shade over and over until I reach the desired amount that I want on my line. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Espresso. This is a dark brown retractable eyeliner pencil that is supposed to be smudge proof and also water resistant, and I'm just going to use this to make my lashes look fuller by just really tight lining. And also be careful with this because I really irritated my eyes here. I like poked myself and my eyes got all pink, so be careful. Now we can remove the eye tapes and you'll see that nice sharp wing there, and I'm just going to brush away all that excess powder. Now I've already gone in with my bronzer, so moving on we can just jump straight into blush, and I'm taking my e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Cheeky, which is a soft pink with a cool tone undertone, and I just really packed this onto my cheeks using a fluffy blush brush. I absolutely love this shade. It's so soft, and these powders by e.l.f., this particular like formula just feels so good. Then I went in with my Estate highlighter in the shade Dew DEW Me. It's like a pearlescent highlighter, which typically I tend to stray away from these kinds of highlighters because they can look really stark against the skin. With a cool tone look like this, it just looked absolutely beautiful. I love the overall effect that it had, and I put this everywhere. My cheekbones, my temples, and right along my nose. Beautiful look. Then I went in with my Primer Water by Smashbox, which is a set and refresh spray, and I went ham with this, just all over the face. Set those powders in. Now for the inner corners, I went back into the Paris palette with this bright pink shade, and I tapped into that with a fluffy pointed brush and sprayed some of that primer water onto it and dabbed that into the inner corners, and it had a gorgeous silver undertone to it that just looked beautiful with the look. And I finished it off with some mascara, first curling the lashes and then going in with a few coats of my favorite Maybelline Lashlicious? I'm sorry, I can't remember the name of it, but I'm going to put it here at the bottom, and it just looks so flirty and beautiful. So we finish off the look with lips, and first I went in with my Smashbox liquid lip in the shade Stepping Out, which was a really beautiful cool tone brown. And then I took a cream lipstick by Clarins, and this was a really much lighter toned cool tone brown in the shade Hazelnut, and I just put that in the center of my lips. And finally, I finished off the look with some lip gloss, and I took my NYX Lip Lingerie Gloss, a very cool tone shade as well. Can't remember the name, I'm gonna put it here, but that was it. There you go, guys. That is the whole look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe if you want to see more stuff from me, and make sure to hit that bell notification so you know every single time that I post. Let me know any other ideas of makeup tutorials that you want to see from me down in the comments below. Let me know what you liked about this look and what you would have done differently, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!